Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you the technique how to answer. We have double integral in here and we know that they want to find first quadrant in here. Y equal to number 0, y equal to x squared plus y squared equal to number 4. So we know that this one is about the circle and the radius is about r equal to the square root of number 4. You got about number 2. Now we can graph the function in here. This is about the circle. The center is about 0, 0. So we know that y equal to number 0. That should be about this one. And y equal to x. Then we go on this one in here. The question they mentioned that's about first quadrant. So first quadrant, that's about this one. And the area we need to concentrate, that should be about this one. This because we have y equal to 0, y equal to x. That means we need to find the area in here. Now let's go to the double integrals in here. In this situation, we need to convert into polar coordinates. So we have dA, that should be about dy dx. Now we need to change into r dr d theta, and now we change x equal to r cosine theta and y equals to r sine theta. So we put this one in here. We have number 1 and 1 plus. This is about x squared, so you got about r squared cosine theta squared. And the next one, y squared, you got about r squared sine theta squared. And we got about r dr d theta. So we need to know that should be about from 0 to number 2, because this is about the radius of the circle. About theta, if we know that, we need to find the intersection between y equal to x and x squared y squared equal to number 4. So we put about x equal to y in this one. So you got about x squared plus x squared equal to number 4. So you got about 2x squared equal to number 4. So you got about x squared equal to number 2. And we know that this is in the positive side. So you got about x equal to the square root of number 2. So we know that x equal to r cosine theta. and r that should be about number 2. So we can find cosine theta equals to the square root of number 2 over 2, and theta in this situation you got about b over 4. We know that this point in here, from here go in here, you got about from 0 to b over 4. So we can put the bounds in here. And now we need to calculate this one. This one we change for number 1. And now we just have r over 1 plus r square dr d theta. In this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to 1 plus r square, du equal to 2r dr, and we divide both sides with number 2 because we don't have the number 2 in here. Next, we need to change the bounds. If r equal to number 0, so we got about u equal to number 1. If r equal to number 2, so you should get about number 5. So number 0 in here we change for number 1. Number 2 we change for number 5. This one we change for u. R dr we change for du over 2. So this one we got about 1 over 2 multiplied with ln. We put number 5 and ln number 1. Ln number 1 you got about 0, so we just have 1 over 2 ln number 5, and now we can get the final answer. B over 4 minus 0. So you got about B ln number 5 over 8. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.